So today we are in El Dorado, Kansas, and we are doing our 16th annual roof giveaway. And a very deserving family out here in El Dorado, Micha and Austin, we're gonna surprise them with a new roof. So they have no idea. And their friend who nominated them, Amanda, is going to join us on the surprise, and so is Micha's mother. So that's where we're headed right now, and hopefully we can give a nice surprise.
Hi.
That's what they all said. Do you know who I am at all?
I kind of have an idea.
Yeah. Well, today's an awesome day, I hope, for you, because you are the winner of our roof giveaway. And so we're gonna install a brand new roofing system on your house. Nothing out of pocket for you. It's a brand new, up to code, beyond code roof. Congratulations. I'm really happy for you. Your wife and your wife's really good friend Amanda wrote a letter in saying you guys needed a roof. So every Christmas, we give a roof away to somebody who needs one. And this year, that is you. So congratulations, bud.
I'm gonna give you a hug. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I know you guys are hardworking. You got the 4 kids, and a leaky roof isn't helping you out any.
Not at all.
You really don't know what kind of step this is going to mean in our life.
Yeah.
It is life-changing.
Yeah.
Roof is literally the one thing that we just keep patching and keep patching to try to keep
it
the
protects everything, and they've
water
gotten
from being in the attic. So I don't even know.
Yeah.
I don't know that thank you means the weight of the words that thank you means. It's more than a blessing. It's literally life-altering for my
it's for us too. Like, we love doing it. It's something that we really get to touch somebody's life every year that really needs it.
That is amazing that you guys have been doing so much for so many people.
Yeah, it's a really cool thing we get to do. So
I love you too, Mom. I'm so sorry.